I'm open to any other volunteers that would like to record a message to the world that would like to wave at me, so I know you'd like to record one. Ah, Gershon, would you like to record? Turn on your microphone.
I'll give it a shot.
Okay, I'm going to spotlight you. So,
oh my goodness.
Ready?
Okay.
Showtime, I'm afraid. Very good. Begin, Gershon.
I would like to invite you to think the following: that dignity, the core element of humaneness, is the basic foundational ground rule and standard norm of conduct, of civil conduct, in all relationships, person to person, as well as institutions and their clients. Thanks for your attention.
Thank you for diving in. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Gershon.